reference is made to the NTPC OFS, and yes, it indeed was a powerful one. The issue was subscribed 1.7 times. Estimated proceeds of 11,500 crore have actually been met. Proceeds actually came in for about 20,000 crores, and there was only 11,500 expected. Final indicative price has come in just a little below 146 per share, 145.9 to be precise. Total bids came in for over 132.5 crore shares. The total shares on offer were only 78.32 crores. Mrilani Krishna is here with more details. But before we go to her, let's take a quick check on the stock. Plenty of profit booking on that counter, because that counter was expected to rake in the revenues, and it indeed has for the government, closing the day just a little over 148 per scrip, 2.5% down for NTPC. Let's begin with Divestment Secretary Ravi Mathur on how the government is really reacting to the response that NTPC has got.
The government is satisfied with the response to this offer. It will be about more than 11,500 crores. There are some more issues planned for this fiscal, and our effort will be to bring those issues. ALCO, SAIL, Rashtriya Chemical and Fertilizer, MMTC, Steel Authority. See, we are yet in the stage of formulating the plan for next fiscal. I am meeting the secretaries of respective departments. So once that plan is finalized, then we will meet.
This was really a big issue as far as government's own fiscal situation is concerned. It is expected to rake in close to 11,500 crore rupees. Let's go straight across to Mrilani Krishna, who's joining us with more details. Mrilani, this is a big one, and Mr. Chidambaram should be happy this evening.
This is the biggest divestment issue for the fiscal, and the government is satisfied with the response it got for the NTPC OFS. The issue was subscribed 1.7 times. The government got bids for 133 crore shares versus the 78.4 it had on offer. The indicative price emerging at 145.9 rupees a share versus the floor price of 145 rupees a share. And at that price, the divestment secretary said that the government could look to garner anywhere over 11,500 crore rupees from the 9.5% stake sale in the company. Now, he also did say that the divestment department also did say that they saw strong interest coming in from foreign institutional investors. Bids are typically between $50 to $100 million. Now, sources indicate, as far as the FIIs are concerned, one of the biggest bidders was the government of Singapore, and domestic institutions like SBI and LIC did also participate in the issue. Now, the government has managed to go through with two successful issues in the last 10 days itself, whether it was Oil India or NTPC. Now, their earnings from divestment in this fiscal stand at close to 22,000 crore rupees versus the target of 30,000 crore rupees. They already have issues like NALCO, SAIL, MMTC and RCF lined up, so they're clearly hoping to get close to that 30,000 crore rupee divestment target.